Hey, wonderful people. Welcome to Shira's mesmerizing world. What do you do with the overripe bananas? I know you'll put it in the bin. None of us actually like to have overripe bananas, especially the kids. They say it's black, so yucky, I don't want this. And so it goes into the dustbin. My kid says that. So I thought, why to waste it? Actually, the overripe bananas have higher amount of vitamin C and antioxidants in them. They are actually very good to our health. It's very simple to make. Let's get started.